So, is Claude Cowork a scam or a total game changer for tech professionals? Let's break it down, because this AI is making a lot of noise, and not all of it is good. First up, legitimacy. Claude Cowork is the real deal. It's developed by Anthropic, a known AI powerhouse, and the desktop app is available officially for macOS. But here's where things get spicy: security. You've probably heard backdoor and scam thrown around in reviews. What does that actually mean? It's all about a vulnerability called prompt injection. Cowork can read and edit files on your computer. If you accidentally download a file with hidden instructions, Cowork might just follow those, like deleting your data without you realizing. That's absolutely not a joke, and Anthropic is clear: don't let Cowork near sensitive folders. Now, the price. People love to rant about that $2,400 figure. But here's the truth. The basic Claude Pro is $20 a month. That high number comes from big enterprise tiers and heavy API use. Like, if you're running agentic workflows nonstop, costs can spiral. So yeah, expensive at scale, not for a solo reviewer. Performance? Honestly, it's hit or miss. It's still a research preview, so I've seen it hallucinate, miss obvious constraints, and even burn through tokens faster than you'd expect. Anthropic literally tells you, don't trust it with your financials or passwords. But here's the twist. Cowork is already shaking up industries. It can automate analyst-level tasks, and yes, that's freaking out some folks in law and outsourcing. Bottom line, not a scam, but not risk-free. If you're careful and understand the limits, it can be a powerful tool. Just don't treat it like your digital best friend.